Welcome to this section on U.S. Higher Education System. In this module, first, we will be talking about the higher educational system and the types of degrees usually offered in the various colleges and top universities around the country. Secondly, we will discuss the college catalog and class schedule and how to use them. And lastly, we will talk about the U.S. grading system and its importance since many of you have thoughts of transferring to prestigious universities such as UC Berkeley and UCLA. After high school, students have the choice of going to a 2-year college or 4-year college. Students who choose to go to a 2-year college can obtain a certificate or 2-year degree. Usually, a certificate program takes about 1 year to complete. A 2-year degree takes about 4 semesters to complete. Now you may ask, can I make the transition from a 2-year college to a 4-year college? Their answer is yes. Students who meet the necessary requirements can transfer to a 4-year university where they will spend the next 2 to 3 years achieving a bachelor's degree, such as a Bachelor's of Arts or Bachelor of Science. After the bachelor's degree, you can go on for a master's degree. Master's degrees usually take about 2 years to finish and tend to be career-oriented types of degrees, such as an MBA, Master's in Business Administration. And lastly, students who wish to pursue a career as a professor and researcher, they move further ahead and receive their doctorate degree or PhD. Doctorate degrees take about 5 years to complete. Now let's learn about what the college catalog and class schedules do. The college catalog describes the courses, academic programs, and services for each college that are planned for each of the academic years. Most of the policies and regulations, such as orientation, advising, and counseling, are described in the catalog, and each student is responsible for becoming familiar with this information. All classes offered by the college are described, including information about unit value, transferability, and prerequisites. Peralta College's class schedules can be found at peralta.edu and are published before each new semester and available in PDF form. It includes a list of classes to be offered during the next term, registration and enrollment procedures and dates, general information, and important dates, including refund deadlines. The U.S. grading system places values on a unit, a grade, and grade point average. A unit is a value that indicates the amount of credit given to a class. It reflects the amount of time required for class attendance. One unit usually equals 1 hour of lecture or 2 hours of lab each week during a college term. Grades, or letter grades, earned in courses are converted into points. These points are multiplied by the units for each course and totaled. Grade point average, GPA, is the total number of grade points divided by the total number of units a student takes each semester. Students are expected to maintain a GPA of 2.0, C, or better in order to maintain their international student status. Grades you will commonly see are A, excellent, B, good, C, satisfactory, D, passing, and F, failing. Other grades you might see include W, withdrawal, EW, excused withdrawal, CR and C, credit or non-credit, and I, incomplete. What you need to know is a grade of W does not count towards the required full-time international student status. However, a grade of F, CR, I, and NC counts towards the full-time requirement. Please visit an academic counselor and they will go over each grade and how it benefits or affects your educational goal. Before choosing the number of units you want to enroll in, it is important to think about the amount of time you can study each week. For example, Classes like Math 13, Introduction to Statistics, and Math 1, Pre-Calculus, are 4 units. This means that you will need to spend about 12 hours a week total on the course, 4 hours in the class, 8 hours for homework. An ESOL reading and writing class is 6 units and will involve about 18 hours a week total for class and homework. 6 hours in the class, 12 hours for homework. Please keep in mind, F1 students are expected to be full-time, maintaining a minimum of 12 units each fall and spring semester. We want you to succeed in your classes. Thank you for completing our video on U.S. Higher Education System.